1. App and Keypad Operation Guide. Download KNOBWELL app. Option 1. Search KNOBWELL in App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Android. Option 2. Scan the QR code on the right to download the app. Register and log in. Please note, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and keep phone close to the door lock in the next steps. Connect the Smart Lock to app. Press the fingerprint reader to activate the lock. Please follow the steps in app. App Lock Unlock. Touch to unlock. Hold to lock. How to set fingerprints. Option 1. Set the fingerprint on the app. Please follow the steps in app. The first fingerprint you set is the admin fingerprint. Option 2. Set the fingerprint on the door lock. Unlock by the admin fingerprint. Press the set button 3 times in 5 seconds. Press your finger on the fingerprint reader 5 times. How to set passage mode. Option 1. Set passage mode on the app. Click Setting and click Passage Mode to open it. You can set different time periods according to your needs. Option 2. Set passage mode on the door lock. When unlocked, press and hold the set button for 2 seconds. Please note, if you unlock the lock, fingerprint or app, or press the set button, the passage mode will be turned off. How to set privacy mode? After auto-locking, press and hold the set button for 2 seconds. Please note, 1. Only admin fingerprint and keys can unlock from the outside. 2. If you unlock the lock by admin fingerprint or app, or press the set button, the privacy mode will be turned off.